good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
I'm Milet. A good day, sir. I'm Milet Garcia Lucas, 38 years old, married, with 3 children, ages 18 years old, 17 years old, and 11 years old. I live in Alicia, Isabela, and I am a college level. I took a Bachelor of Science in Public Administration. I am my eldest child of the family, and I have 2 brothers, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I have work experience in Dubai as a domestic helper, Finnish contract, sir. I do household chores like cooking, cleaning, laundry, ironing, washing the car, and taking care of the children. I serve for members of the family, 1 couple and 2 children, ages 8 years old and 7 years old, sir. And also, I have work experience in Singapore, and I serve 4 person and 1 couple and 2 children, ages 6 years old and 4 years old, sir. And also, I have experience in Hong Kong as a domestic helper. I serve 4 person, 1 couple, and 2 years old, sir. I do all household chores like cleaning, cooking, laundry, ironing, and taking care of the children, sir.
Okay. What about in the Philippines? Do you have work experience?
Yes, sir. I have also work experience here in the Philippines as housemaid. I serve 5 members of the family, 1 couple, and 3 children, sir. Ages 6 years old, 3 years old, and 2 years old, sir.
In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
When the baby is sick, sir, I check the temperature and I will call my employer, sir.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, trustworthy, and honest, sir. Honest person, sir.
Do you have any tattoo?
Yes, sir. I have tattoo here in my left wrist, sir.
Okay. Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I wanted to work abroad to provide for my family, sir, and especially for my children, sir.
Okay. If you get hired, you will take care of your children.
My husband and my parents, sir.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus my work,
Okay.
sir.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep around 10 p.m. in the evening, and I wake up 5 a.m., sir.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be patient and calmer, sir, and calmer, sir.
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share a room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
Yes, sir.
Can you sing nursery song?
Yes, sir.
Sing it.
Long, long, breeze is blowing down,
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please hire me as your helper, and I will do my best. I will do my best to serve your family and work with all my heart.
Okay.